Hi guys. So today I'll be doing a little bit different of a video. I wanted to vlog because if you guys have been watching me for a while, I used to vlog a lot, but now my life has been consumed with work and YouTube, so I don't really go anywhere and don't really do much. As you can see, I just woke up. It's like 11 something and I just got up because I had to work a double like a day ago and still go back to work at 5:30 basically. So I'm tired. I was tired. I needed my rest. So my room is a mess. My bed is a mess. So I'm gonna clean my room, clean my kitchen, and then we're going to go on the road. I'm gonna do some grocery shopping because I need to grocery shop, and that's what my day is gonna consist of. And then I'll probably put on some makeup, do some YouTube videos. So let's get this popping. Let's get it day popping, 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 popping. All right. So my bed is made. As you can see, I have a teddy bear on my bed. That was my Valentine's Day gift. I really love that teddy bear. It's almost as big as me. And I have my book, pens, and my laptop case on my bed because at night I always think about topics, write down topics for you guys and all that other stuff. So I always have books and pens on my bed. Plus I like, this is my living room. I can show you guys a little bit of my living room. I can't show you guys all of it because there's a lot of personal stuff in this living room. So that's that. So this is how I am 99.999% of the time. I'm in like blouse and shorts. I have my waist trainer on. It's not even a waist trainer, it's a belt to help you when you exercise. And that's why I don't promote fake body and all the other fake shit, because if you work out, your booty will be just fine. You have to eat right, be consistent. So I'm about to go to Target and return this damn nail polish that I bought that is ridiculous. It does not dry. It says fast dry and it's supposed to be a gel nail polish, so I'm returning it because that's what I do. So I totally forgot to vlog when I was shopping. I went to the supermarket to get some stuff and I forgot. But anyways, I'm about to go to Walmart, so I'll take you guys with me there in a minute. This is when you know that living alone by yourself is not all that is cracked up to be. When you have to carry heavy groceries in the house all by yourself, okay? This is no cakewalk. That's your heavy house. But a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do. So, So, this is what I got from the grocery store. I'm gonna go and tell you guys what I got. I got some seafood mix. I like to curry these and mix them with coconut milk and bow ties like pasta. I got some chicken breasts. And then I got some chicken legs. I got some tilapia. These are easy to cook. Throw them in the oven, season them, throw a little bit of olive oil on them. You're good to go. These are the type of bow ties I'm talking about. That's pasta. If you know anything about me, you know that I love my mac and cheese. I don't live with my mom anymore, so I can't eat any of her baked mac and cheese. So this is what I have to stick with. Potato bread. This is the only bread that I eat. Anytime nobody give me no other bread, me look upon them like them dumb stupid. And my mom was the one that usually buy them, yeah. So no, I can't buy anything else but potato bread. Hawaiian King. These taste so good. I love these to snack on or on the go with some cheese. Next, we have some eggs. And I like to buy brown eggs because they're more organic eggs. So I like brown eggs. Then I drink almond milk. I decided to try a new almond milk. I got the cashew one because I'm tired of the regular one. Then me get some Malta to just have handy. It's a nice drink. And you know, because it's Easter, I had to get my cheese and bread. What bread me I thought? Well, me get my cheese and my bun for Easter. Even though I live alone by myself, I'm still gonna enjoy my Easter. Then I got some tuna. I like my tuna in oil. I don't like the one in water. I don't know why. Can you tell I'm very picky? Can you tell yet? Then me get me good mackerel. Good mackerel. I really like these one because they are the one me used to at Jamaica. I don't like the other fancy ones what they have over here. And then me get mixed vegetable. Me love mixed vegetable. Me used to put it in my body beef, but now I won't be buying any more body beef because me no want no rotten meat to eat. And I buy my Walker's Wood jerk seasoning in mild, because I have a hot and spicy one in my cupboard already. So you know me a Jamaican when you see all of these things. And then me get me have me water crackers to enjoy. So yeah. And then I got the Minute Maid lemonade. I normally get the Minute Maid ones in the box, but me see that the one there, just grab it up. So let's go to fruits and vegetables. As you can see, this part I can't hold. Over here, so me get grape because I love grapes. I got some halo oranges, love them. Got 2 mango, banana. Me get some plantain, some asparagus. I really love asparagus. I love asparagus. I know how to cook asparagus really good. And they're easily overcooked too. So I got some tomato. Me get some regular potato. Can't make mashed potato. And then we got some sweet. Me get some sweet. Me get some sweet potato because sweet potato is everything. It's real Jamaican sweet potato. You know, I've put no sugar on it like the one them they sell over here. Me get some scallion. Me get one of a pumpkin. Me get some carrot, and I got some green pepper. So I got green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, and orange pepper. So that is what I got. Let me turn around. So that's everything that I got today. I'm mega hurry up and put with all of this stuff and get my charger because for one. So I'm here cooking. When I'm done cooking, I'll show you guys. I want to say thank you for all the continued support. Thank you guys to all my old subscribers. Thank you guys for all to my new subscribers that keep on supporting me and my channel and what I do. I'm constantly trying to look for creative topics, constantly trying to look for also positive topics to talk about to you guys, because in regular media there's a lot of negativity. So I'm constantly trying to switch it up. I constantly try to make my audience happy, and I can't thank you guys enough for this love, for the support that you give to us, because without you guys I wouldn't be doing YouTube or wouldn't be doing what I'm doing. And it means a lot to me, because normally I wouldn't do commentary videos. I would stick to hair, makeup, and nails and skin and stuff like that. But I stepped out my comfort zone with my commentary videos, and you guys showed mad support and mad love for that. And I can't thank you guys enough. And that's why I always try to bring creative topics. And enough people on YouTube copy me topics them and try to imitate what I do. But imitation is the highest form of flattery. Big up to them. If they want to copy, them can copy, but there's no one on the internet like Brains and the Beat. Okay, so yeah, just had to throw that out there. So you know you have a wife when your wife or your girl can make tin mackerel and white rice look fancy. Okay, that's what I cook for dinner today. Tin boomer rice, just like the country girl I am. Me can't get rid of it. And I forgot to mention this. This is one of my favorite chips ever. So if you like spicy chips, this is the Lay's Kettle Cook Jalapeno chips. This is what it looks like. It's so good. If you want a snack, this is really good. This is a really good snack, and it's kettle cook, so it doesn't have all that calories. It's 150 calories in this big bag alone. So if you want less calories, you can eat the small bag. I love this. So I guess that's the end of the vlog. I'm about to go eat my dinner, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, this is a lonely girl vlog. I'm normally always by myself because me no keep friend and company. It's either I'm at work, I'm at home making YouTube videos for you guys, or maybe I'm here to chill. It's just like that. Home, work, homework. That's how my life goes. So more than likely, this is how my vlogs are gonna be until I go to Miami in like 4 weeks actually. And we're gonna actually be having a meetup in Miami. Me and Soulflow TV. Big up to Soulflow TV. We're gonna be having a meetup. We're gonna be there from we're gonna be at the park from 12:30 to 1, at Best of the Best 2017. So we're gonna be at Best of the Best, the park, before the concert starts, so we can meet a few of you guys. Please come out and see us, take pictures. We can't wait to meet you guys. It's going to be lit. Okay, we're gonna have a lot of fun. So me I'll eat my dinner and top chat, run off my mouth, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I'm about me. I'm up out of here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. Peace.